Hey friends, and happy holidays. This is Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and I am using an old grapevine wreath that I've used on several projects, and I'm going to create a beautiful fresh magnolia leaf and pinecone Christmas wreath, and I think you're going to love it. It's quick and easy, and if you have the availability of magnolia leaves and pine cones in your property, then this is a free project as well. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, as you can tell here, what I'm doing is I'm just adding some hot glue to each of the magnolia stems and sticking it into the grapevine wreath. This is a quick and easy process. You just want to go all the way around the outer edges of your wreath with your magnolia leaves. And I like to kind of put them on a little bit of an angle. That helps. Then we're going to go back in and we're going to create like a flower effect with our magnolia leaves and pine cones. So what you want to do is take about 5 or 6 of your leaves, form them in a flower, hot glue them to the wreath, and then put a beautiful pine cone right dead center. Just use your hot glue to hold everything in place. You do want to wear finger protection here because the hot glue can get on your hands and burn you, so be careful there. But see how quick and easy this is coming together. Isn't it gorgeous? I hope that you'll follow me if you don't already. I have lots of holiday ideas that I'm going to be sharing all through the season. So once we get all the way around the reef with our magnolia, what I'm calling magnolia flowers and pine cones, we're going to hang this over our dining room table and add some antlers to it, and I think you're going to love it.